These are Mazda S 2-in-1 keys. First, their keys are all flat milling keys. Let us start with the first one. This one is called Mazda 24. The Mazda 24 can be used to unlock door locks. It is suitable for flat milling keys in Mazda and Hymer cars. Its key shape looks like this. There is also a Mazda 24 key specifically for ignition. This one is only for starting the ignition lock. You can see its tooth positions are from 1 to 10. This is the ignition lock for a mechanical key. Now, for the new keys in Mazda. Like the Axilla and Atenza models, these types of keys require the Mazda 2014 2-in-1 key to unlock. This 2-in-1 key is only for door locks and does not have an ignition lock function. That concludes the introduction to Mazda S 2-in-1 keys.